Hey everybody, Paranoid Panda back with another video. This one's a little different. You know, normally when I do a reaction, it's to somebody listening to Aesop Rock for the first time. I just like to watch their minds get blown by the lyrical genius of this motherfucker. But today we're doing something different. We got a black man responded to somebody that you'll notice. I've done a lot of karaoke of the Blues Explosion, but I skipped the first 4 minutes because it's a 10-minute video. Let me get the remote going. Stay hydrated. You see this bad motherfucker right here? Right here. That's Judah Bauer. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you something cool. Whoa! Whoa! Get ready, y'all. It's about to go off. Now, you'll notice there's a guy back here. He's gonna shove him. Watch. He shoves him. He's not done shoving him. He just shoved him again. Get the fuck away. This reacts to movement. You being next to it is gonna fuck it up, douchebag. That's a theremin. Yeah, the drummer's fucking great.
What the hell? What is wrong with
him? A lot.
Definitely put on the show for our ass. Holy hell. That boy wildin'. You see some of their faces? Wow. This is a trip. He's feeling himself, bro. That music's taking him over. Oh! shitting, was he? You gonna break his guitar? He definitely brought the damn energy. He definitely brought the damn energy.
All right, check this
What
out.
the hell did...
You see this over here? You see that? That's Judah Bauer. That's the guitarist you just saw. And then you see that right there? That handsome son of a bitch. That's a young paranoid panda right there.